Hi, today I'm for the new Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the sound and mood modes, so just to activate mood mode, the silent one, we should switch sound to the mood, and by the same way to turn it off, we should switch mood mode to the sound. Also, we can make it by another way, just open the control panel and here you'll find the sound icon. Click twice on this icon and now mood mode is activated. Just to turn off silent mode, click here once again on this icon and that's it. And also we get one more way, just press up or down volume button. You will see here the icon, the ringtone icon. Click once on this icon to activate mood mode, and to turn it off, click on this icon once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.